There are a number of string methods that help us to do things like removing unnecessary space before and after a string, or making it all uppercase or all lowercase, or even replacing text within the string. The important thing to remember is that none of these methods will permanently mutate the string because strings are immutable. So what you have to do instead is to either reassign them to the original variable if you want it to be changed permanently, or save it in a new variable. Let's look first at how to change the case of a variable. We can convert our raw data here to a loud shout. I'm going to create a variable called shout and attach the toUpperCase method. Just like that. Notice that the U and the C are both capitalized. One of the easy mistakes to make is to have that C be lowercase, in which case it's not a valid method. But as long as you have that C capitalized, this should work. Let's log it and find out. Okay, we see the entire thing is in capitals. And as you would expect, toLowerCase works the same way. It just takes any capital letters and makes them lowercase. The next one is about trimming whitespace. So we have a trim method that'll take off any accidental space that's before or after the string so that we can just get to the characters that we care about. Let's create clean data. I'll go to the raw data and trim it. Let's run it. And we can see that the space has been removed. The next one is for replacing text within the string. I'm going to create a new variable since I can't actually change the original string. And let's use replace. This takes two arguments. The first one is the part that you want to replace, and the second one is what you want to replace it with. Let's log it. And we see our new string with LV-426 replaced. So I mentioned that strings are immutable. Let's just show you what that looks like. I have a planet, Mars. I've said planet toUpperCase. If you're expecting planet to be uppercase, it is not. Let's log it to see. It's still Mars with a capital M, and all the rest are lowercase. So the only way that we could actually make it so that planet would now store all uppercase would be to reassign it. And that would look like this. We would just say planet equals planet toUpperCase. And then if we log planet, we see the original one unchanged, and this one changed because we reassigned it. All right, I'm going to make a quick commit here. And let's look at the practice exercises that you can work on here. We've got software version and email address, and you can use the methods that you've learned to make changes to it. Just remember, you have to store it in a new variable or you have to reassign it. That's all I've got for you. I'll see you in the next one.